we introduced the Power Air Fryer XL, and it finally became possible to enjoy the crispy, crunchy, fried food you love without all the guilt. Millions were sold. Now, we're making air frying even better. Introducing the Power Air Fryer Oven, the multifunctional cooker that can air fry 75% more than traditional air fryers. What's the secret? Our stainless steel airflow racks and 1800 watts of rapid air technology fries food with a whirlwind of superheated air for that great crispy fried taste without all the added fat and calories. Air-fried chicken strips, wings, and tasty sea salt curly fries. And all made with that amazing fried food taste with less guilt. Air frying produces healthier fried food than other traditional frying methods. Almost 15% of oil is absorbed into chips when deep frying, but with air frying, only 0.0025% of oil is absorbed. If you switch from deep fried to Power Air Fried oven fries just once a week, you could consume 14,000 less calories per year. And here's exciting news. Now you can air fry rotisserie. The Power Air Fryer oven uses superheat combined with rapid air technology. Regular air rotisseries have no airflow. Look at our air-fried rotisserie chicken versus this one from a regular rotisserie. Ours cooks faster. It's crisper on the outside and so much juicier on the inside. There is no comparison. And our amazing drip tray catches all the extra fat and oil, so it's virtually guilt-free frying. But hold everything, the Power Air Fryer oven is also an incredible dehydrator. Dehydrate vegetables, herbs, and fruit. Onions, homemade sun-dried tomatoes, and croutons make great toppers. The Power Air Fryer oven is an air fryer, rotisserie, and food dehydrator all in one. It features a state-of-the-art touchscreen with 8 presets. With its quick-touch digital menu, you can rotisserie, dehydrate, air fry, roast, bake, use it as a pizza oven, grill, toast, and reheat. And all accessories are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. Order yours today.